Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 7th of January 2023 and I'm going to be going over my weekly progress check on the third strategy for front testing SPX, which is predictions based on option chain analysis. And of course, this is just going to be going over the new data that we have since the last week's prediction and obviously seeing if we went right, wrong, and comparing from last week. So obviously we can see that this week the prediction was that SPX goes up. And the opening price for the week was 4,745.2 and the close was 4,697. Now, if we would have ended up taking a buy signal at the start of the week, which would actually make us get a pretty hard loss at minus 47.97, making our weekly PNL minus 1%. And our cumulative PNL go down to minus 0.78%. Now, although these are only 2 weeks, and obviously there's a lot more data to come, but this is just a short video going over the week's progress. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to stay tuned for coming videos, and obviously if you are interested in the Tesla one as well, which has actually given a very significant profit. So that's for now. Thank you for watching and enjoy.